Did you know there are people who can only see half the world, and they have no idea the other half is missing? Imagine getting ready in the morning. You carefully apply makeup to your face, brush your hair, and feel perfectly put together. But you've only done half your face. The other side remains completely untouched. You sit down for breakfast and eat everything on your plate. Well, everything on the right side. The left side might as well not exist. This isn't blindness. Your eyes work perfectly. This is something far stranger. It's called neglect syndrome. After certain strokes, patients lose all awareness that half of space exists. They'll draw a clock with all 12 numbers crammed onto one side. They'll bump into door frames again and again. They'll completely ignore people approaching from their left. The most unsettling part? They feel totally normal. This reveals something profound about reality itself. Your attention doesn't just filter what you see. It literally creates the boundaries of what exists for you. Half their world vanished, and they never even noticed it was gone.